Hey guys, this is Andy from My Guys Know How, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on closed captioning on your Apple TV. The first thing that you need to know is that there is no general closed captioning setting on the Apple TV. This is something that you will do inside each streaming app that you're going to be using. Today, I'll be showing you a couple of different examples so you get an idea of what these settings look like. However, within each app, it's going to look a little different. The first example I'm going to show you is in the Apple TV app. So let's go ahead and launch the app and pick something to watch. Once your TV show is playing, you'll want to immediately pause it. This will bring up the progress bar, some information about the show, and a few menu options for watch settings. Once you see this bar on the screen, you'll use the up arrow to highlight the playback menu options on the right-hand side of the screen. The subtitles and captions menu will be indicated by a small speech bubble icon. Use the left and right arrows to highlight this icon and use the center button to select it. Once you select this icon, a list of subtitle options will appear on your screen. Use the up and down arrows to select the language you would like to use. Some languages will have options for just the subtitles or closed captioning. Closed captioning will include indicators for other sounds in the show, while subtitles will only include dialogue. Once you have selected the subtitles you want to display, use the back button to exit the menu and press play to start your show again. Now you can see that the subtitles are on the bottom of the screen. If you would like to turn the subtitles back off, return to the subtitles menu and select off. Once you press play on your show again, you'll notice that the subtitles are no longer at the bottom of your screen. Like I mentioned before, this process will look slightly different depending on the app that you're using. Let's open another streaming app to see another example. Once again, you'll select the show you want to watch. You can see that right now there are no subtitles on the screen. You'll pause the show to bring up the progress bar and the playback settings. You can see that this time the only icon on the right side of the screen is the speech bubble icon. Use your up arrow to highlight this icon and select it. This subtitle menu looks a little different. You can see here that you also have the option to change the language of the audio. Use your arrow keys to highlight the subtitle language you would like to use, select it, then use the back button to exit the menu. Once you unpause the video, you will see that the subtitles are at the bottom of the screen. This was just a couple examples of what these settings can look like in the different streaming apps on your Apple TV. If you have any issues changing these settings in your streaming apps, please reach out to us for help. Thank you for following along with this tutorial today, and happy streaming!